Hey, what's up guys? Just got out of work just a couple minutes ago. Got my gear on and I'm ready to go take a dive. Not specifically for lures, but just to get wet a little bit, cool off, and just to clean up the river. Hope you guys enjoy. This is my weight belt from last year I lost. I found it. Oh yeah, that's cool. I lost that weight belt last year when we came out here, and I just found it. I kind of tried to triangulate where I left it, or where I dropped it, and found it. Awesome. Oh, look at that. An iPhone and a headlamp. iPhone and headlamp. Sweet. little recap of what I found today. I was glad to try out my new BC I got from my local dive shop. It's a Sherwood AVID CQR3, and my new Cressis I just got recently. I like them a lot. Found this fencing pole here, someone's towel. Found some glass, some aluminum cans, some plastic here. Someone's reel from their fishing line. I found some more metal here. Got some fishing line with a lure on it. Whatever this thing is here, I have no idea. Someone's fishing reel. This thing here, someone's Shakespeare Thomas the choo-choo train all aboard. Little fishing pole here. Still works. Look at it. Just cast it. Anyway, got some more lures here. Pen, little flashlight. Got someone's cell phone right by the dock. Looks like there's water inside there. That's not gonna work. And then I found my 20 pounds of lead weight and my belt that I actually lost 2 springs ago. I came out with a bunch of friends and my kids to come dive out here, and I was free diving. And I took my belt off and set it on my board, and my board flipped over and it went down. But I found it, so sweet.